main site of photosynthesis in the plant, that is leaves. In the leaves, that is the mesophyll cells, and mesophyll cells, for performing the photosynthesis, they possess chloroplast. So in the green cell, the site of the photosynthesis, that is chloroplast. That's why the chloroplast is also known as kitchen half of the cell. It results in the food formation. Now the structure of the chloroplast I had discussed with you in the previous chapters, but briefly I am going to tell you the main points associated with it. Chloroplast, it is a cell organelle which is surrounded by an envelope consisting of two membranes. Yes, so this one is outer membrane and this one is inner one. Now inside the membrane, the space which is present, that is filled with the help of a proteinaceous colloidal complex, and that complex is known as stroma, or you can also call it as matrix. In the matrix, there is presence of sac-like structures. So you know these sac-like structures, they are thylakoid. Now the thylakoids, they are stacked one above the other. They are stacked one above the other, and this structure which is formed, this complete structure, this is known as granum. Singular is granum and plural is grana, right? So several grana, they are present in the chloroplast. So the several grana, they are present in the chloroplast, and it is very well known to all of you that these grana, they are interconnected. Yes? These grana, they are interconnected, and this interconnection is with the help of these structures. These structures, they are known as stroma lamellae. Or you can also call these structures as fret lamellae, right? Now in the photosynthesis, these thylakoids, the membrane of thylakoid, they contain photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments present. These pigments, they will absorb light energy. They will absorb light energy and convert it into the chemical energy, that is ATP and NADPH. ATP and NADPH is produced due to the light energy absorbed by the photosynthetic pigments present in the thylakoid. So this reaction which is occurring in the thylakoid membrane, which is directly driven by light, this reaction, it is known as light reaction. Or you can say the several reactions which results in the production of the ATP and NADPH which are occurring in the thylakoid membrane represents light reactions. अब ये जो एनर्जी यहाँ पर फॉर्म हुई है, now this energy is utilized for the carbon dioxide fixation in the stroma. So in the stroma, there is presence of enzymes which are involved in the carbon dioxide fixation by utilizing this energy. तो जो रिएक्शन स्ट्रोमा के अंदर हो रहे दे आर नॉट डायरेक्टली ड्रिवन बाय लाइट. So to distinguish these reactions from the earlier one, stroma के अंदर जो reactions हो रहे हैं, इन reactions को हम कहते हैं dark reactions. Right? So the directions which are directly driven by light, they are known as light reactions, where they are occurring in the thyroid, and the reactions which are occurring in stroma, not directly driven by light, they are known as dark reactions. अब ये जो reactions है स्ट्रोमा के अंदर हो रहे हैं, they are known as dark reaction. There should not be any confusion in your mind कि ये जो reactions है ये dark के अंदर होंगे. And you should not think that these reactions does not require light. Yes, some of the enzymes you will study that in these reactions which are involved, they are light dependent.